Crackling noises from your Amazon Echo device like Echo Dot, Echo Show, or Echo Plus are a common issue. It typically sounds like static, popping, or distortion during music playback, alarms, or when Alexa responds. This can be caused by hardware problems such as speaker damage or power issues. It can also be due to software bugs or environmental factors like interference from other devices or a poor Wi-Fi signal. We will go through the most common reasons for a crackling echo and how to solve them. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, restart your Echo device by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Ensure your Echo is running the latest firmware by checking for updates in the Alexa app. Also, make sure it's plugged into a stable power source and connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal, either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Sometimes, a simple restart and update can resolve software glitches. Software solutions, firmware updates, and factory resets. Amazon has released firmware updates like versions 7.2.0 in late 2024 and 8.1.0 in early 2025 that specifically address audio glitches causing crackling. To ensure you have the latest version, open the Alexa app, go to Devices, select your Echo device, and check for updates. If updating doesn't work, try a factory reset. This will erase your settings, but often resolves deeper software issues. To reset, follow the specific instructions for your Echo model, usually involving pressing a button or combination of buttons. If software isn't the problem, examine the hardware. Check for dust accumulation in the speaker cone. Use compressed air to gently clean the speaker. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Loose connections can cause interference. If you suspect a faulty power adapter, try using a different one to see if the crackling stops. In some cases, like the Echo Dot 4th and 5th Gen from 2022-2024, there may have been a hardware recall. So check if your device is eligible for a replacement. Electromagnetic interference from nearby devices can cause crackling in your Amazon Echo. Radio waves from electronics can disrupt the audio signals, creating distortion and static. Common sources of interference include Bluetooth speakers, cordless phones, and microwaves. These devices emit radio frequencies that can interfere with your Echo's wireless communication. To minimize interference, keep your Echo away from these devices. Try moving it at least 3 to 6 feet away from Bluetooth speakers, cordless phones, microwaves, and other electronics. Experiment with different locations for your Echo to test if the crackling improves. Sometimes a simple repositioning can eliminate the interference completely. A weak Wi-Fi signal can also cause audio distortion and crackling. Make sure your Echo is within good range of your wireless router. If the signal is weak, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to improve connectivity. Amazon is improving its diagnostic tools. The 2026 beta of the Alexa app includes an audio health check feature. Use it to scan for audio issues and get prompts for fixes. This tool can automatically detect problems and suggest solutions, potentially saving you time and effort in troubleshooting. For more tech-savvy users, cleaning the internal components of your Echo might help. Use compressed air to remove dust buildup. Be very careful when disassembling the device to avoid damaging any components. Only attempt this if you are comfortable with electronics repair. Amazon's sustainability efforts encourage repairs over replacements, so this can be a cost-effective solution if done correctly. However, note that disassembling the device may void your warranty. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the crackling persists, it's time to contact Amazon support. If your device is still under warranty, you may be eligible for a free repair or replacement. For Echo Dot models manufactured between 2022 and 2024, a limited recall program offers free replacements for faulty speaker cones, and this program remains active. Have your device's serial number and purchase date ready when you contact support. It is always best to seek professional help if you are unable to resolve the issue yourself or do not know how to proceed. Most crackling issues are user-fixable, but don't hesitate to reach out for help.